Hey, AgEcon, Mr. Ramstead here. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to program a spreadsheet. So this is completely optional, but I think that this may help save a lot of you some time as you work on your greenhouse financial data. It may also be a good life skill for you to have moving forward. So I just wanted to share this with you. Again, you are more than welcome to do all of this by hand if you would like, but I think this may save you some time and some of you may actually kind of like this. So there is a way on Google Sheets for it to do all of this fun math for you, okay? So there's a couple options. So let's start with average total cost, okay? We know that average total cost is going to be the sum of our seed or plug cost, our container cost, and our soil cost. And that can be confirmed on our cheat sheet that we have with all of the formulas, okay? So what you can do is you can actually highlight these boxes right here, and in the lower right-hand corner, it will tell you the sum, and you can type that in there directly, okay? So 60 cents. Another way you can do this is by doing this. Hit the equal button, type in the word sum, and do a parentheses, and simply highlight the cells that you would like, and hit enter. And it will do the math for you. Then, on the lower right-hand corner, you can see this little arrow thing that's popping up, this plus sign. You can actually click and drag, and it will do all of the math for you for the average total cost. If we go to final revenue, we know that it's a little bit more dicey. We have to do some multiplication, okay? We are going to multiply our quantity demanded by our final price to get our final revenue. So what you can do again here is hit your equal sign. And we know that the final price is in cell H number 5, because you can see it's kind of like reading a coordinate, H5. So we'll do H5. And then you're going to do an asterisk, like the multiplication, not an X, an asterisk. And then your quantity demanded, which is in G5. You see where I'm getting at? And then you will hit enter. It may even give you a suggestion to autofill all of this and save you even more time. So you can hit that check mark. And there you go. You have all of the data here. Cost of goods sold. Again, your formula is on the spreadsheet. What you would do here, for example, is you are going to add up B5, which is your seed or your plug cost. You're going to add up C5 and D5, or you can just take your average total cost, I suppose, and you're going to multiply that by F5, which again, that's your quantity supplied. Hit enter and autofill it, and you have all of your answers for your cost of goods sold. So I don't want to give you too many answers here, but this may save you some time and make sure that you are doing your math correctly on the spreadsheet. And again, you can apply all of the stuff to down here if you'd like. You can apply this to your operating expenses. Remember these ones over here under the income, you're going to imagine like a fake zero in front of there, so it'll be 0 minus whatever the expenses for your flats, for example, and then that's obviously going to be a negative number. And then you will total everything up down here. Now, if you really want to be fancy, again, we know that we can just simply highlight and find the revenue there. So we know that the sum of the final revenue is $2,343 because we get that from highlighting. So you can type that down here, 2343, and there you go. Simple as that. So this may save you some time and help make sure that your numbers are correct, especially in the top section of the spreadsheet, because if you make errors on that, as we learned in the last couple of days in class, it's going to be a lot more challenging to redeem yourself. Then I would recommend just doing these equations down on your own on paper. But if you can figure out how to work the spreadsheet, you're more than welcome to do that in there as well. Okay. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help visit different groups and demonstrate how this works. Enjoy the rest of your day. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.